Hey folks, Shawn Bikes. Today I'm on my way to Tunnel Hill State Trail. I'm gonna go to Karnak. I'm gonna start at Karnak and I'm gonna try to go to the tunnel and back, 40 miles. It's like 93 degrees, so my truck says. It's way hotter, humidity, heat index wise. You know, it's kind of crazy to push myself in the heat, but today I'm wearing a new kit that I bought. It's from the black Bibs. It is this jersey and these shorts, or these bib shorts, and the kit is all about summer. It's designed to give maximum air, I guess. You know, like the jersey breathes really well. It's thin. You can see my bib straps through it. You know, it's a thin jersey. It's meant to be thin and as little material as possible. And so are the bibs. They're marketed to be worn alone. So, and I took some pictures of me kind of bending over to see if they were transparent and you could see. I didn't think they are, but you know, no one was around to tell me for sure, so they could be. I don't know. They feel pretty thin, but they're marketed to be worn alone, and I got my correct size, so well, I guess we'll find out, you know, later when Michelle sees them. But I'm gonna go try to ride 40. I usually do 20, and it's hot, and I probably should just do 20, but you know, if I decide I don't want to do 20 more miles when I get to, you know, after I get to Tunnel Hill from Karnak, then I could turn around and go back. But I'm gonna try to do 40 today, and then tomorrow it's, I think, supposed to be hotter, but I might try to do 40 tomorrow too. You know, just to, not really to push myself, just to, you know, kind of to push myself and bike more, but you know, mainly just to ride more. So that's my plan, and you get to come with me, so stay tuned. Here's the kit. It's just shorts and jersey. Here at the bike trail. All right, folks, on the trail. I gotta say, these bibs are really comfortable. Like, they're really soft. They have a good feeling. The leg grippers are really comfortable, and I like them so far. They're pretty cool weather-wise. You know, I'm not really feeling like I'm sweating or getting you know, wet in places that don't need to be wet. Swamp, you know. So far I'm liking it. Only went probably 1/8 of a mile though. Ooh, squirrel. Crazy squirrels. But yep. So on the trail here, heading towards Vienna from Karnak. Getting right past a couple of Bigfoots. Gotta be careful, that one, he's armed. Alrighty, so far so cool. Feel pretty good. Haven't seen any riders yet. Coming up to the railroad tracks. Every now and then there's a train I have to stop for, not much though. I definitely yield and slow down. It's unprotected. Unprotected crossing. no arrows, no lights. And if the crew was asleep for some reason, you never know what can happen. There'd be no warning other than the sound of the train. If you have headphones in, you might be your last ride. Always good to look both ways and assume that they're not looking out for you. All right, coming up to this nice underpass. It's not the Shelby Road one. Just haven't quite made it to Karnak yet. Probably getting close. Probably getting close. So far so good. I feel like I can probably do 40. Feel pretty good. It was hot at the trailhead getting ready, but it's not been hot here. This kit makes me feel pretty cool. All right, here at Vienna, took a little breather, ate a little waffle thing, and now I'm gonna head towards the tunnel. 10.5 miles in the bag. 9.3 miles ahead. Just crossed Shelby Road. Good news. I saw 3 other people. 2 of them were on bikes. I think they're e-bikes, but still they're biking. And one of them was walking. And one walking was older than me, with respect, saying that with respect. And she was out enjoying it, so she looked happy, she looked friendly. The other 2 looked like they were doing good. So as hot as it is, you know, definitely not the only trail user. So that's always a good thing. See other people. Made it to Breeden. Feeling a little tired. Got more than 10 miles to get back, so. But the good news is it goes downhill for a while, and I'm sure uphill is what's getting me, so that's all right. I still think I could do it. I'll take a little break at Tunnel Hill trailhead and get some fuel and nutrition in me and hydrate, and then I'll be off. Approaching the tunnel. Hope it's nice and cool up here. It's always a nice little feeling. Turn my light on. I could definitely feel the cool air. Ah, that feels good. That definitely feels good. Seen another cyclist and a few people walking, so good to see other people out and about enjoying the day, regardless if it's a little bit hot. Enjoy it, because it could be really cold. I mean, that'd be weird in the summer, but oh man, it feels good in here. Yes, it does. Oh, always a plus. That little bit of air conditioner, tunnel air conditioner. Tunnel air conditioner. Almost a Tunnel Hill trailhead. And there you have it. 20 miles. Right on the dot too here at Tunnel Hill. That's cool. All right, take a little break here, rest, give my butt a break. Definitely hurts a little bit. New pad, new shorts. Kind of got to break in the pad. This is really good to break in the pad. New kit. So take a little break, drink some of my hydration. I got water and some other water with electrolytes in it, and then eat some fuel and start heading back for Karnak. It's 5:42. All right, back in this baby. Riding back 20 more miles. Sounds like a lot. It is a lot from here, but get to go downhill and do a lot of coasting and stuff like that. That's always nice. When I get past Van, I'll have to do some more uphill stuff though, which is fine. I have gone downhill enough to rest and prepare myself for the 10 miles up. Not 10 miles up, but a little bit uphill. Breeding trestle. Nice little ray of sunshine here. This is where it gets kind of hot, when there's no tree cover. Out in the sun like this, it's when I sweat. But it also feels kind of good. So this guy will be my first of the year. Copperhead, pretty one. Oh yeah, nice copperhead staring at me. Yep, beautiful. You are cool, dude. You're pretty. I used to see most of my copperheads here, and they're around these bluffs. I wouldn't doubt if there's a king somewhere around here, a scarlet king, but he's watching me. But you can see the Hershey Kisses pattern on the back, and I'm not gonna get really close, but the eyes are copper, has pits, so venomous copperhead. Go to mama. Mama's over there. Mama. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Okay. Try to get out of here before mama comes back. Baby deer. That was cute. That thing was coming to me. Didn't know what I was. And then it was kind of making noises. Just didn't want, I wanted it to go the other way towards mama, but mama took off running, so I'm sure she'll be back. Just hopefully not to this side and headbutt me off my bike. Vienna, 10 more miles left. Really, 10 and a half. Almost a Heron Pond lane. And let me tell you something. I smell grilling. Someone is grilling, and it smells really good. Whew, man. My guess it's one of the Hutchins folks, Max or his kids or something. It smells pretty good though. Now I smell mowing. So that's a little better than grilling. That made me hungry. All right, getting close. Less than 2 miles. Probably not going to go to the wetland center. I thought about it, but I think I'm gonna pass. I'm pretty tired, pretty wore out. All right, folks, 40 miles. Got quite a bit of PR. Like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 different PRs. So did pretty good, I guess. I'm happy about that. Yeah, my truck's a mess. Just a bunch of junk I need to reorganize a little better. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.